how to fix your Sony TV freezing or lagging. Is your Sony TV driving you crazy with freezing and lag? It is so frustrating when you are right in the middle of your favorite show and everything just stops. I know exactly how that feels. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home right now after watching this video. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more helpful tech tips. Let's start with the simplest fix. A power reset often solves most lagging issues. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. If your TV is completely frozen, unplug the power cord from the wall. Wait for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn on your TV. This clears the temporary memory and often fixes the lag. Next, let's check for software updates. Outdated software is a common cause of performance issues. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to About, then select System Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This might take a few minutes, but it is worth it. A slow internet connection can also make your TV feel laggy, especially when you are streaming. Go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then go to Network Status. Make sure you are connected to the 5 GHz band instead of the 2.4 GHz band for faster speeds. You need at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth 4K streaming experience. Sometimes specific apps cause the lag. We need to clear their cache to free up resources. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Select the app that is lagging. Go to Clear Cache and select OK. You can also select Clear Data for a fresh start. If nothing else works, a factory reset is the final option. Note that this will erase all your data. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to About, then go to Reset, then select Factory Data Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This will return your TV to its original speed. One last tip. Disable any apps you do not use to keep your TV running fast and smooth. Your Sony TV should be running smoothly now. Stay confident and enjoy your viewing experience.